Hello, thank you for joining me. I'm excited to share with you one of my favorite meditations. This is called the 6 Healing Sounds, and this is a practice based off of an ancient Taoist longevity practice, and it uses the power of sounds and our own vibrations to connect with our own internal organs and to release any negative emotions that we might be feeling into our positive virtues. So find a comfortable seat and let's begin. You can do this practice lying down or you can do it in a chair, whatever works best for you. So if you're sitting in a chair, it's best to bring yourself towards the edge of the seat. Feel your spine nice and elongated and plant your feet firmly on the ground. So take a moment here to find your structure and get centered. We're going to be doing abdominal breathing, so you want your chest to be relaxed and you want your abdomen to expand on the inhale and to contract on the exhale. So breath in, belly rises, and exhale, belly contracts. So take a few of these breaths on your own. Next, we're going to bring a smile to our face. So the simple act of smiling helps to tell our bodies that it's safe to relax and allows us to really embody and feel the power of gratitude, which further helps to transform our negative emotions. So you can even use this at the end of the day to think about anything that you might be grateful for, and to allow that gratitude energy, that smiling energy to fill your body. So the first organ we begin with is the lungs, and the lungs are a major organ responsible for release, for purging, and for letting go. So place your hands over your lungs and take a moment just to connect with your lungs. How are your lungs feeling today? And the lungs are often affected by feelings of sadness and feelings of grief. So without judgment, notice if you're holding on to any feelings of sadness and what that feels like for you. And the virtues of the lungs are courage, bravery, and inspiration. And it takes courage to actually let go of what you no longer need. And it even takes courage to allow yourself to grieve, to feel sad for what you've loved and what you may have lost. So feel grateful even for any feelings of grief and for the courage you have to feel those feelings. The sound that you're going to make for the lungs is a S sound, and the color you're going to imagine is the color white. So first imagine white filling your lungs, purifying your lungs, and then you're going to inhale that bright white color, and you're going to exhale the sound, and we'll do this 3 times. So inhale bright white energy, and exhale. Letting go of what you no longer need. Inhale, and exhale. You could feel any of that gray energy leaving you, transforming to a radiant white. Last time, inhale and exhale. Good. So the lungs are part of the metal system, and metal nourishes water, which is the kidneys. So now place your hands over your kidneys and check in with your kidneys. How are your kidneys feeling? Your kidneys are often affected by feelings of fear, shock, insecurity, or trauma. So take a moment and notice if you're holding on to any of those things. Smile at your kidneys. The virtues of the kidney system is safety, calmness, tranquility, and peace. The color is blue, so you can imagine a deep, radiant blue, like water glittering off of a deep blue ocean. Take a breath in and fill your kidneys with that bright blue light. And the sound that we're going to be making is a sound, so like rushing water, helping to transform any fear into feelings of safety. So inhale that blue light into your kidneys and exhale. And again, inhale. And last time. Good. Feel your kidneys nice and safe, happy. So your kidneys, as the water system, nourishes wood, and wood is liver. So next you're going to place your hands under your right rib cage, where your liver is, and connect now with your liver organ. The liver is affected by stress, anger, frustration, resentment. So these feelings might come up frequently, right? So imagine or look back and see if you're feeling any of these feelings, if you're holding on to any stress, any anger, any resentment. Allow yourself to have compassion for yourself, that's okay. And just notice what you feel. And the virtues of the liver are kindness, compassion towards others, and also importantly towards yourself, as well as generosity and flexibility. The color is green, so you can inhale a bright emerald green into your liver. And the sound you're going to make is shh. So you can think about soothing, hushing a baby. You're using this power to soothe your own liver, to soothe away any stress. So take a breath in, breathing in that bright green light, and exhale. Shh. And again. Last time, transforming any anger into kindness. And notice how you feel. The wood element feeds the fire. So now bring your attention to your heart. And your heart is affected by all of your emotions, but it's affected the most by feelings of impatience, hastiness, and hatred. So notice if you're holding on to any old hatreds, any impatience. The virtues of the heart are feelings of abundant joy, happiness, and love, and the ability to connect with other people. And the color of the heart is red, so you can breathe in a bright red, like a ruby, or like the petals of a rose, filling your heart. And the sound we're going to be doing is a like you're fogging a windshield. When you get a lot of these feelings, the impatience, the hatred, that causes extra heat in the heart, and the ha sound is very cooling to help release some of those feelings. So breathe in a bright red, Smile into your heart and exhale. And again, inhale. And last time. Feeling your heart happy and filled with love. And fire regenerates earth. So this is our spleen and stomach. So bring your attention now underneath your left rib cage to where your spleen is. And tune in with your spleen. In Chinese medicine, the spleen is affected a lot by feelings of worry, doubt, and overthinking. So pay attention to how your spleen feels. Is there anything you can't stop worrying about or overthinking, overanalyzing? And allow this area to relax. The virtues of the spleen are trust. So trust in ourselves, trust in the universe, feeling grounded, feeling centered. And the color is a bright golden yellow. The sound we make for the spleen is. So this is a guttural sound. You want to feel it coming from the gut. So inhale, bright golden light. And exhale. Transforming any doubt into trust. Inhale. Exhale. And last time. Feeling grounded. So now we're going to harmonize all of this good energy using the triple warmer sound. And you can think of this is a special Chinese meridian that is really helpful for regulating the heat and the energy throughout our entire body. So it helps to harmonize all of these energies together. The sound for this is, and the color is a violet purple. So for this one, we're going to actually bring our arms up, and then we're going to exhale the sound, make the he sound, and imagine washing this violet purple throughout our whole body, clearing our energy, bringing us into harmony. Really soothing to do. So we'll do this 3 times. So inhale. And again, inhale up. And last time. So now we're going to take all this energy that we've generated, all this clean, balanced energy, and we're going to swirl it throughout our abdomen. So you can imagine the white light of the lungs, the blue light of the kidneys, the green light of the liver, the red light of the heart, and the golden yellow light of the spleen, the bright purple light balancing us, coming together in this wheel of colors shining throughout your whole body. And now we're going to go the other direction, condensing this energy into a little bright white pearl of energy into your lower abdomen. storing your chi, storing your energy. Now come to stillness, hands over the lower abdomen. Take a moment to feel grateful, smiling at your body, feeling it nice and relaxed. And bring that relaxed energy with you into the rest of your evening or the rest of your day. Thank you.